Hello everybody. Today I will say to you about my car and my dream. My car, I don't know what color it is because I just draw it. I not color it. My car is big enough. It has face in it. Really cute, isn't it? It has doors and me. And all my families are in the car, but I'm sit on the door. And I bring a cups with 3 lollipops in them. I grab just one and I do like this, just like I want to say hello with everyone. And I have a big balloon with a person in it. I see it just like my friends. And my little sister, Potato, I named her, are sitting, and my mom hand is in the car, and the car have 3 windows. It has a little tent in it, on the top of it. Are you like it? Maybe yes. The car can drive everywhere. I just say with a car, where do my family and I like to go, the car goes like that. The car really like the people. But my friends draw the car is so funny. The car is not a car, it's a bus. Bring any students go to home. And I am different. I like that. And I love lollipops, so I bring all cups of lollipops. Do you like lollipops? Maybe to school, I draw some curtains for the tents, but I draw it. I can draw something else to the tents, but it's bigger. Okay? But I will draw a big rainbow in it. I love rainbow, so I draw it in it. Of sun, it have a face. And beard. So the clouds, and on school I will draw it a really cute little face. An apple tree, and a blue sky with 3 birds fly in it. Just like mommy bird, baby bird, and daddy bird. Are you like it? Maybe yes. Subscribe for me. Goodbye.